that was the exact moment when I found out that there was something wrong. And that's our coffee, you all. I learned a very important trick today, which I'll tell you upstairs. Let's go. Hey everyone, it is the 3rd of May. It is 10:30 a.m. and I'm going home today. I'm going home after, I think, a year and a half. The last time I was home was in January 2021. So I'm very, very excited, very pumped up to go home after such a long time, take a break, not work, and just relax for 2 months. And just spend time with you guys on YouTube. That's my plan for 2 months. However, I haven't started packing yet. My house is a mess. And we're leaving in like 3 or 4 hours, so I'm freaking out right now. I don't even have a suitcase. I mean, I ordered one online. I have to get it today. It's like 20 minutes away, so well, good luck to me. Quick story time. So I went down to get my coffee today. Quick update again. Oh my god. I have started making coffee again at home. Yay! And saving money. However, yesterday I ran out of milk and I went grocery shopping where I said that I should not buy milk because I would not be able to eat drink the entire pack in one day. And I'll just waste milk and spend £1. So I'm gonna save that and not buy milk at all. This morning, which is half an hour ago, I woke up and I just needed coffee. And I'm like, shit, I don't have milk. So I had to go down to buy milk. To buy coffee, which costs 3 or 4 pounds, so 3.5 pounds. And I'm like, oh my god, that is how dumb. I literally wanted to save £1 to spend 3.5 pounds on my coffee. But if I would have gotten the milk, I would have had coffee twice. And something else. We don't know, So I just feel very, very dumb right now. But yeah, that was quick story time and update for everyone. So they don't make mistakes like I do. But I'm gonna go start packing because I have lots to do. And I will see you when I've made some progress. Hey guys, quick update. It looks something like this. I've already filled the suitcase, but I've only put in 4 quart sets. But they're so fucking thick that the entire suitcase is almost done. I'm taking this because I want to get it altered in India. And maybe just leave it there, so. This quick update. So I have literally emptied everything from these drawers and these cabinets from what I wanted to take home. And I've put them all on the bed. Luckily, I don't need jackets, so we can leave it right there and not worry about them at all. And I'm going to take all of this home. I'm going to take in some shoes, so I'm not really sure which ones, but I'm going to put them right here. And that's all the things I want to take home as well, and this is literally full. And I'm getting another suitcase right now, but I am not really sure how all of this is going to fit in one suitcase. Stay tuned to find out. We have progressed a lot. So that suitcase is literally done. It has jeans and all the heavy things. It's still empty. That one I've put all my footwear in, so that's also good. And if we move on to the big one, my new suitcase just arrived. And I'm gonna put in all of those things in there along with my makeup and everything. And let's see how we do. And then we're gonna go to the mall and shop some last minute things.
The cookie how a boy has more suitcases than you for the first time in life.
That's literally all the suitcases we are carrying, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is his. So 5 suitcases for I don't know how many months. 1, 2, 3 are mine. So only 3. And I'm a girl. Look at that. Why do you look like this?
Can't do cabs in London.
Is that all you have to say? You can't do cabs in London? Okay. By the way, I just got new shoes. That's how they look. And I'm obsessed with them. Hey guys, so as I was saying, I am 5 minutes away from the airport, which is a very, very nice thing. And I'm gonna catch you at the airport. Hey guys, so we're just giving out our luggage. And people are looking at me, but it's fine. And everything just went on super smooth and we didn't have to wait in the line, which is a very good thing. We are finally at the duty free and it's time to do some shopping before we board our flight. I think this is the best part about airports. Look at how cute these perfume bottles are. And I love the smell of this one. However, this one doesn't have like the thing here, and nobody's here to assist me because everything is like closing. And I'm not really sure if I should buy this one. So we are at the... Hey guys, we are at the boarding gate, and I quickly want to do a small haul of what I bought. So this is what I bought from the duty free because I had like 10 minutes. Something I'm very excited for. So I bought 3 big Cadbury bars. The first one says Choco Biscuit Crunch. Never heard of it. Oreo. And then we have triple chocolate. All of them look so good. So I'm very excited to try these. And then I got this perfume, which I will show you once I open it. But it smells amazing. And it's like an evil eye, which is just like so pretty. I'll put this back on. And this is what I'm wearing in the airport. I got these new shoes from Converse, which I am obsessed with. I have these very comfy Zara pants and a very comfy Zara shirt, and I have a big ponytail. And that's our airport look. That was the exact moment when I found out that there was something wrong. I was seeing people with their cabin luggage, and then I wondered that I also had one and I did not keep it above me. So where is it? And then it dawned upon me that I left it when I was buying my perfume. And I was so proudly showing you all like my haul and what I bought, and I left my entire luggage in the cash, like the checkout counters. And then I did exactly what you would do. I freaked out. I literally ran to the air hostess and I said, hey, like this is what happened to me. Can I just like quickly go out? I know where exactly it is. And they said, sorry ma'am, we have a security thing and you cannot leave the premises, which is the flight. They can't leave the flight as well. After screaming, shouting, freaking out, almost on the verge of crying, I somehow managed to call the head of security or whatever who's in charge of all this. And he came to talk to me and he said that you have 2 options. And then he said, firstly, we will be happy to escort you out of the flight. However, we are like leaving, we're taking off in 15 minutes and there is no way in hell you're gonna make it back in 15 minutes. So either you like go off and we'll be happy to do that. Otherwise, and then he gave me a chit which said www.heathrow.com, and you can like look it up online and we will keep it at the airport when you come back. And after several conversations and discussions, I realized that getting off is not a good idea. And good thing is that 𝗟𝗘𝗧, my brother, is coming home in 3 days. So he can get the luggage for me, and that just somehow calmed me down a bit. And I registered the item online in the flight itself, so they know it's mine. What was insane was that we like literally took off like after 30 minutes and I could have easily made it back. However, they made it sound in a way that I could not, and that's one thing I do not appreciate. However, it is what it is. And then I decided to move on and concentrate on the chocolate I have, which is what you'll see right now.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I cannot believe I'm in Delhi. It's been so long that I just cannot believe that I'm here. Guys, I am in Delhi. We're just putting stuff in the car. We have a layover of like 7 hours. We're gonna go to the mall, eat something. I'm gonna get a hair wash, and then we're gonna come back to board our flight for Patna. It's hot. No, but it's not a hot. Like it's hot. Like, oh my god. Like,
bro, what are you talking about, man?
like, it's so humid. Like, 1 second. How does it feel to be back?
Pathetic, it's too hot.
It is too hot. It's humid. It's very hot. Just log up. The food was disappointing. That's all I have to say. Let's go. guys, so I'm done with my hair and they look really nice, nourished, beautiful. I've done like a lot of treatments. I've done a scalp treatment, I've done the spa and a few other things, and I'm very happy with my hair. And now we're gonna go off to the airport once again. Love that for us to board our domestic flight to Patna finally, and then we will be home. See you. Hey guys, so I am back at the airport and guess what my first stop is? It is a total no-brainer. It is McDonald's. I do not like London's McDonald's at all. McDonald's in London sucks. Like, period. And I was craving McVeggie since a year, and today I'm having McVeggie and I'm so happy. It's a good day, you all. Heaven. So good. Hey guys, so I literally left from London yesterday at like 6 p.m. No, 5:30 p.m. It is almost 5:30 p.m. in India and I'm dying. My flight just came in, so we're gonna board the flight for Patna right now. But update, I'm dead. Like, I just really want the bed. I am so exhausted. Going to Patna is literally a 24-hour affair from London, which is why it's just so exhausting. And oftentimes, including today, the flight for Patna gets delayed by like an hour, half an hour, 45 minutes. And then it's too much, especially because you don't even have the SIM or the internet working. With the Wi-Fi here, it doesn't work properly. So yeah, I'm just really tired and wanted to update you guys about how frustrated I am with the entire commuting process. But I will see you when I get ready tomorrow to close out this video. Hey everyone, you see a different backdrop behind me. I am finally home. It has been a long time since I've been home. It's been 1.5 years, as I've mentioned. And it just feels so good. I've forgotten how it feels to live in India with all that you have, and I think it's amazing, and I'm so grateful. So let's pause for a second and focus on my luck at airports. As I said, my flight always gets delayed from Delhi to Patna. Well, I did not film this, but when I boarded the flight, I immediately slept because I was exhausted. I woke up after an hour and I was still in that flight, but we were not moving. So we were still in Delhi and I was not really sure what's happening. When I asked, they said that due to extreme weather conditions, the flight has been delayed and we do not know how long it's gonna take. So instead of landing to Patna at like 8 p.m, I landed at 10 p.m. and I was in the flight for more than 3 hours, which sounds insane. What's more insane is that it took me less than 9 hours to come from London to Delhi, and it took me more than 12 hours to come to Patna from Delhi. However, the good thing is, I read this book on the flight because I had so much time to kill, and I've been carrying this book with me for 2 years now, like literally 2 whole years. And I've traveled with this to Dubai with Zach, and then Zach always used to ask me at the beach, "Hey Mallika, what's Maury doing on Tuesday?" And I'm like, I don't know. And then I traveled to Istanbul with Varun, and then Varun kept asking me at the beach again. Because I had this book, whenever I go to the beach, I have this book like right next to me. And so everyone, like whoever's traveling with me, they're like, "Hey Mallika, so what is Maury doing on Tuesday?" And I'm like, I don't know. Now I know what was Maury doing on Tuesday. So I read this book, and for those of you who have it, let me know what you think of this book. Those of you who don't have this book, I highly recommend getting one. It's called Tuesdays with Maury by Mitch Albom, and it's amazing. I know that a lot of you are graduating. I just graduated like 3 days ago. And this book is an amazing reminder for all of us to not just get too comfortable in our daily jobs and not try out something new. It's also a big reminder that sometimes we live a meaningless life, not having fun in the job we do, but we just do it because we're just getting by with the salary we get. However, life has such a big meaning, and you should not limit yourself and just get too comfortable or too unhappy and just doing things you do not wish you would be doing, if that makes any sense. And I have something from the book that I would love to read out to you guys, and that would be the closing of this video on a good note. So let's do that. So Maury is a professor who's almost dying because of his health and his age, and Mitch is a student from college who lives a very busy life, is not unhappy but like gets good salaries and is just living a meaningless life, and just getting too comfortable by not moving and trying out new things, who once wanted to become a piano player. And Maury is somebody who lives life like it should, and he does not feel sorry for himself, even though sometimes he feels like he's not even able to stand by himself or do things which are his necessities by himself. He gives it, he cries, has a good cry, and then puts him together and then lives his life by being grateful for the things he still has. And this is something he says to Mitch, which I think a lot of us needs to hear, including myself. So this is what Maury says. So many people walk around with a meaningless life. They seem half asleep, even when they're busy doing things they think are important. This is because they're chasing the wrong things. The way you get meaning into your life is to devote yourself to loving others, devote yourself to your community around you, and devote yourself to creating something that gives you purpose and meaning. And I just feel like it's just so beautifully written. And for everybody who has graduated, congratulations. I hope you're proud of yourself, because you need to be. It's a big thing, and you're gonna do amazing things in life. And just remember what I just read, and just live a meaningful life and be happy and be proud of yourself. And on that note, everyone, thank you so much for watching this video with me and seeing my journey to India after 1.5 years. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I will really, really appreciate that. And I will see you next time. Much love. Bye.